Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to remove split keyboard on iPad. As you can see right here, at the moment my keyboard is split. Now to remove this or undo a split keyboard, all you have to do is press down on the keyboard option in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to select merge. After doing that, if you would like to disable the split keyboard overall, you will need to go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to select general. Then you are going to tap on keyboard, and right where you see split keyboard, you are going to simply toggle that off, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.